Yes. Talky.
You
talk.
talk.
Una can talk.
You cannot talk for Africa.
Oh, you both say it's the name of the game now. That's true now. It's the name of the game. Talk now become your country.
Talk. Talk Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday, Sunday, say we still talk.
That's it.
All right, so my people, yes, today will be Thursday. What would they call it? Our old school Thursday. It have come and it is here and we day inside them. Thank Baba God I say you wake you and I. Where you day house there, they watch me. You know, blind your eye, never no carry your lights.
And if they carry them on your generator,
on your generator, it is available and for yakpa for town. Go buy, make it take watch us. From 2 o'clock, go reach 3 o'clock. Now, so they done from Monday, go reach Friday. We get many things. So they carry con give now. We get waiting the hots. We also get our videos new, picture, body carded new, cocoa of the day new. I tell you letters from our fans, our viewers, our waiting. All now with this sun you. How want it talk away go end? You know go fee end because of you. Now we sit down for here. Today not be only me, though I did some kind shot too because what happened to Chelsea yesterday with PSG. No be small something. One man down, they still hammer them some kind things and they don't come up for the game. So, well, but for here we no go come up for the game. We still there on top of the game because for here now winning. Now we did. All right, my people, no be only me day here. As I know, always we still get AKA Mr. Handle in the building. We also get Amaka. But before then, I go want to introduce myself, call my name because I know say one new viewer don't join us today, and the person would wonder what these people they talk about. Yes, what they talk about in our talk show. What would they do? They talk about things so they happen for Nigeria. They shook our mouth and leg and ear inside, and we will send you our opinion so that everything goody kajat. My own name still remains Queen B or Balo.
And yes, after Queen B, now maybe the only guy where the house, the man who is blessed among women. My name now Bernard, very casually. I deal with everybody here. And I could be say they given us sumptuous news of the things where they happen inside Nigeria. Sometimes when they cross over sea, over land, they go back on other countries. They do the amebo for there. Now then they do amebo, boys with gist, girls do amebo. So when they do amebo, me I go the gist.
What you gonna find for you if you know they do amebo?
Nah, gist.
By they give moral support to the gist. Now good afternoon, Ojare. My name now Maka Okodiafo, and when I not mistakenly touch that dialogue, because right about now we're about to
take off
the plane.
Yes, we know they collide for our air.
At all.
All right, so love greetings from Uwi and also Betiana. Yes, we love greetings. These chicks need to, they need to refuel. They go for, they want food. Man, don't talk another thing. Man, not supposed to talk.
You want to go servicing?
Before somebody go translate that to another thing, and then we decide not to talk. All right, today now our Old School Thursday, and you're gonna wonder why Old School Thursday. Yes, Amaka still carry the trend. It be like I miss my road.
Yeah, you miss road well because this is not the correct.
No, but you know, say those days. I get one picture of my mom. She actually wears something like this, but now very short one, then with bigger pola. Though I
just
reduce,
like my pola.
Yeah, I reduced the heel. Yeah, I reduced my own heel because hey, I fought past my mom when she young like me. So
now they can spoil ties. So let's do work up for second floor. Go first.
See, if you come aim and we build house for you for this company, so we get construction company also. If we build house for you, if you like, make you use waiting past caterpillar.
It go stand.
Nothing, go stand.
No shake.
So no even think about it. This building is a aim building, and we are aiming at anything.
Carry it and go.
All right, to make the story not too many for ground. Yes, Moku start with our number one story. Hey, this one is say I kidnapped my 3-year-old brother just because say I won't use the money by car. What thing happened? This one happened for Bauchi. Salisu Suleiman talk say, abeg go make una forgive me. Yes, I agree, say I kidnap my younger brother, my 3-year-old step brother. That's a younger brother, the boy is 3-year-old. Yes, I kidnap him because if I ask my father for money, say I want money to buy car, he go tell me no. Say he need to take care of him 3 wives and the other brothers. That's why I decide to, hey, plan this one with my 4 friends to grab my younger brother and demand for ransom. This one happened for Bauchi, and they call it, the place where it happened now, for an ED for Bauchi State. Now this one happened, and police don't already grab them now. This one are accounting students of Polytechnic for that side. This one FCT for Bauchi. The boy and a student, he decides, say, okay, you know what? I need to drive car inside school because, hey, boys got to be big. If you want to be big, you got to be big. And if you say Popsy gets money and all that, what did he decide to do? The boy decide to say, okay, you know what? I've been get one step brother for house, and Popsy like her well. You know that kind of package.
Yes.
So
story of Joseph.
What you go do be say, you know what? More plan, more just kidnap him, make we hide and then we go demand for ransom. I know say Popsy go draw because he like the boy. Now police come Kolobi, arrange, and the thing no work as planned. As they come grab them, what he talk? He say, we no mean harm, oh. Now the Salisu they talk, so say we no mean how we just keep them so that we go demand for ransom and we go share the money accordingly. And also one way they call Abdullah Mohammed talk say, true, we no mean to do the boy anything. Our own are just to kidnap him, make sure say them pay the ransom and everything. But as God take like us rich, it no make that thing happen as we take plan am, and nothing happen to the child. And our intention originally na just to kidnap the pikin and collect the money. I beg, make una forgive us. Wetin una think say feferife, yes, now wetin I go call am be that with my own language, because when you dey school and you allow peer pressure, pressurize your brain, book no enter. Now you decide to make it enter your body. What thing actually will go do? Because I know so many people when they write jam to enter university, they did very holy and but once you reach school, first semester they say they did holy. Second semester, second semester after exam, they do some kind of thing. You know, say that time party go come dey campus, so many events go day. They go the first night, then later they will come know when they come they do award nights. Now from there, if they break the ice for girls, they decide to learn how to do eyebrow. Okay, they won't wear short thing. Then next semester when they come, then save. Go reinforce.
Follow suit. And I need to follow the trend.
So what thing they happen to our youths nowadays? What thing really they happen? If person dey kidnap your own blood brother.
If I want talk on top this particular this boy, I'll say I no go to blame the boy.
Okay.
But I don't say what he do right too. I no go blame the boy.
Why?
I go first start with the papa.
Okay. How?
If to say the papa they give the boy wetin he need.
Okay.
Trust me, that boy no go dey think say if I kidnap my brother, then papa will come give me money.
Okay.
Because the excuse, okay, here the excuse the papa give him.
He say he go give him. He never give him. He never even ask the father. He decide.
If he talk like that, it means say he go down they ask the papa for some things, and the excuse the papa they give him be that. So he already know say if I ask this man again for this thing, papa go tell me say, I get wife to take care of, I get your children to take care of, I get. He go down already the excuse give him. The boy know. So what if the next day come the boy head? At least we thank God say no decide say we go kill anybody. The next thing
we know whether not the intention be this to kill this boy.
They claim
because now that 4 people kidnap 3-year-old boy. I don't understand.
No. Why I think say it better, you know say if you want to do something to your family, you know go want to do on yourself.
Okay.
You go call other people put on. So if I thought they catch people, they are those ones they go first catch before they catch you. So I just feel say what did the boy do? He did wrong.
Yes.
But now the papa cause him.
I'm gonna tell you the truth. I no feel say the papa cause anything. I no go lie you.
Okay.
You say you the girl want to first talk. You say maybe because papa no give him waiting in need. Now 2 different things.
Excuse me.
Want and need.
I say need. Then maybe
I don't say you talk waiting in need. But yes, but even that need, you know, so they get the time where you go need something, but not be the right time make you get that thing. What do you say you need that for? No be motor say one buy. If they waiting 200 level for school, yes. No be say they final year, I mean they use copper. Wait, how many people get motor for school? The other people don't get motor, they don't die.
Copper self don't graduate, don't they work self? Years after school.
People work, if not even copper, people where they work self don't get motor and nothing do.
No, I just talk say he even get privilege. Say
you know, say he goes. Thank you very much. Now that's that. Now secondly, the boy in a big mumu that enter in head. Now you kidnap your brother. Say they claim say they don't want to do anything to the boy. Say when time reach, they go release him. Now the point is say your own younger brother, even whether na a half brother or full brother,
not brother.
You know get them for mind. Say eventually when you don't get the money, you don't release the boy. The boy go still know who. Of course.
He no go there now.
Who no go there where?
The boy no go foolish enough today. They made the small boy say him.
For how long?
For how long you want it? So the other three guys, they will kidnap and hide them. Then the in no.
I just they talk according to home video they like watch.
Well, yes, I'm supposed to go there at your home video. But the thing with me I know is I tell you. The thing with me I know be say nothing right with the boy do there, and I don't go blame the father because truly, Oyibo say there's no justification for doing what is wrong.
True.
No matter as person poor or rich, you know me say you go thief, then be the answer.
Yeah. No
matter as your father no give you what you need, no me say you go kidnap person. Say you no give what you need, no mean say you dey hungry. For the fact say he still send you go school, means say he still get better intention for you for mind. Now if he hard for you for school, because your father don't get another wife, we don't get other children as well. If he hard for you for school, but still may you know say man, me I dey see sometimes hard things and opportunity may you take forge ahead. Now the kind of opportunity where they give you. The father, what he do, no the very right or say he neglect the boy, but at the end, not the way the boy do we correct for them at all.
Yeah, I and you see this thing happen for nuts. Number one, I remember those days when I did school. I school for Ibu Zaria, and for school, those Northerners, their children, they like to come because now then they more for the school. Every semester, everybody won't come home, won't come school with Honda, borrowed, rent, parents, friends, family. Honda Hala. I sabi them for
but
Abuja. Honda Hala, end of discussion. Did they give cars name like say na children?
Automatic.
So if the, some of them, I get one way they say enter school after we enter, say if the father no give on because he no give on he promise the father say na F9 go take finish school. And the father just because okay the privilege say my pikin too won't go school because in brother children go school, he buy on the car and at the end of the day they drop the boy for 200 level. You understand? So, hey, you must not give Pekin everything. You know the kind of house where they come from. Say, if the father go provide and go give them, you don't need to ask before they give you, if he did. All right, moving on to our number 2 story. Waiting the hot for Niger. This one, Maida, it have come again. Maida have come again. Maida used to be my very good friend. Make I tell now this one for national TV. Yes, I did proud she be my friend, and I know her when she know God, when she be Christian. Yes,
she still know God.
I know her. I don't know God. Right now, I don't fit talk. I don't fit decide her faith because the kind talk what she do because the thing what she talk now, those days, that time when me know her, even though she did talk her before, but at the time when me know her. She know they talk those kind of things. That's why she be my friend. But I don't know what's going to happen now. Baby girl, we need to talk. Like, we really need to talk. She don't see the light. What's happened to Maida? Maida talk, say, lie. Say she no go agree do collabo. At first, now she dey look for collabo with Davido.
I tire.
At first, now she talk say she go like to do collabo. If she go do collabo, now Davido she go like to do. But now, according to the rumor, I don't know how true it is. Say the HKN gang reach out to her to do collabo, and she say, "Lie moi, mbanu efo." Say, I rather go to post naked picture on top of Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Make people see everything that make me come inside studio with you do collabo because you single one Coco. Yes, I know say you get money, but get out for here. Now what she tell Davido be that. To me, I don't believe her because I just feel say Maida don't feel say she don't dey cool small for media. She won't bring out something. But my people, here now opinion. This is our table, now operation table. We shall bring the talk, lay them down, cut them into pieces.
Now about now here with the dice meat.
We could dice some. Bernard K. I am gonna talk to you. What you not see? Now beef or she dey look for attention.
I know go toss in her beef. How you go toss in her beef? Because for people na snake. For people who know Mahida, me, I believe, you know, say they get this way they do well, we go say this artist get money past this one. I mean, this one they do well past this one. I don't go believe say person like Mahida with the beef Davido because as it be now, so it be like say Davido they do well past Mahida.
Okay.
From what we see, Davido, Davido they release songs, they go for shows, tours. They go performances, tours. He not come our studio before as guests for different programs. You know, I think they do very very well. You know, people sabi Davido here and there. Thank you very much. Remember at an age. But then compared to Mahida don't old past Davido. Mahida don't born one. Mahida she did into singing. Let's say she did into acting too or something like that.
Originally, not singing, she did sing.
You know, but even at that, for a very long time, we never took anything from Mahida for quite a while.
No, she gave us Christmas gift last year.
I see the Christmas gift.
Okay.
It remains more for Snapdy, but I know.
Okay.
I see the Christmas. For people when they follow Mahida for Twitter, we then see the
Christmas
gift.
No, she's still there my Facebook. She's still there my Twitter. She's still my friend.
Yeah, she's my friend too.
Yeah.
Love you, baby. Sorry, you're my friend. So, well, I don't think saying a beef, but like you've been talking earlier, maybe not just to remain relevant for the industry because for a long time, she never talk anything, she never do anything. We never hear from her for a while since after the Christmas present where her Santa Claus job for us. We never see anything. So really, maybe not just to remain relevant in the industry.
I don't call her beef, and at the same time, I feel call her say she dey vex.
Okay.
You know, say we talk am before.
She know the beef, but she dey vex.
She dey para small. One
explain her beg. Cause you don't confuse me. Write something.
You know, okay. You know, say she talk the last time we talk am now, just like then she be want to collabo with Davido.
Then yes.
Now that they assume we assume so.
I'm not sure.
Now they can't call her now, make she can't do. That time when she won't do, they're not ready. Now then they won't do. She self not ready. So I know call her and say na beef. I'll call her vex. Or na initial shakara. Okay. Maybe later, when her mind calm down, she'll come say, okay, maybe see what we feel do. As in, okay, let's come together and do this thing. But right about now, she not ready. And she need another thing again, publicity.
Yeah.
May they also hear and say, they don't ask me now.
Who asked her? How did they ask her?
They don't need to,
they said that me on their phone now.
I
won't know
she need to bring her. Say, now, no, just talk and now, say, person need to publicize
maybe
himself.
Maybe them ping them.
So, but yeah, then, so she need to also put it out there, say, see, I need this thing. And now they have come to meet me. But make her make noise first before I accept them.
So now, if she can't accept them after uncle.
See, ma tell you, the HK gang go, I know. I rep them, yes. HK. I rep them. Maida, sisterly. I love you with the love of God.
Accept
as
your
a sister.
Make she accept.
If Davido, make I tell you secret, if you don't mistakenly say, okay, come join us for studio, no be to come sing.
Why they whisper? Why they whisper?
When we dey talk,
no whisper.
Run.
Shout.
Shout up.
Shout up.
Because for heaven's sake, the boy they hang out with PDD them games, Lil Wayne and waiting.
Yes, so
he won't do collab, but the boy don't talk on top Instagram. Say, he don't they pray over this thing. And one thing, for him to even say that thing on Instagram, I just do one like this. I say, boy, you try. Why? For him to say, I don't they pray for this thing for a very long time, and now it they come true. I know if you wait, may the world see him. Thumbs up. Continue, keep your head up. Leave Maida for Germany. You know, one day Naija, where you hear the cause trouble. I will need the MB by my love. All right, so my people, in case you want to shoot your mouth for any of the story we don't talk here, so Suleiman Salisu, we don't go kidnapping 3-year-old brother with him friends. Say me then sell them, or me then hide them, or me then kidnap them, whichever one they want to do, for 10 million naira. Say if the papa no pay ransom and police don't grab them and everything don't come outside. All right, so my people, Mukuna Chukumat, I talk for Wazobia. We go for a small break. We are coming back because we are ready to ginger. We is coming back. So my people, yes. The weather cold for inside here, not be today. Yes, now the beauty say you they work for here, but that you go enjoy all the benefits. More gonna pack as much as I get because if I go outside, I don't see no panel they give us.
Who tell you? We know where they live. Hey, 2 for our lives they shine.
Story. In as much as in Nigeria, you didn't lie.
We dey off freeze ourselves.
All right, so my people, Moko enter our number 3 story. This one is coming from Nicki Minaj. What's it on talk? They say Nicki Minaj don't get belly.
Yo, Nicki. Nicki, baby.
As in, I don't know. Say Nicki Minaj, they go out with Make Mills. Don't get left around. This relationship now just 3 months old relationship. So I don't understand how.
Just in a belly.
Impossible.
3
months they know.
She just bellyful.
She bellyful. All right. According to what we hear from MT, oh my God, that's media takeout. Media takeout, they take on anybody where they want to take on. And so they put money on top. Talk say, Rihanna is come and get belly. Hey, we are very sure 130% say Rihanna gets belly, that she is going to born next tomorrow. That in short, the person that give Rihanna belly is a millionaire. But up till now, we don't see Rihanna for Grammy and Gbogbo. So you know, but she will labe akpa. We go discover. According to what media takeout talk, they say they confirm this one gidigba. They talk say yes, Nicki Minaj she get belly for Make Mills. Say in short, the tori they very, very authentic. Say yes, because she gave for concerts of Chris Brown where they do on Sunday. Talk say she did there and she no drink. Unlike Nicki Minaj, she go don't carry all the liquor. She go don't gulp everything. But say for this one, she no even drink anything. She no do anything. But what she dey lick? Lollipop. That lollipop now for pregnancy women. If you come and get pregnant, you go lick that sweet so that you know go dey to her. We're going to stop all the nausea, all the vomiting, all the spitting, all the gbogbo. Now, what's in the top? They say, see, in short, now very close party to Nicki Minaj. Now, I expose this matter. So, Nicki, you have come and pregnant too. After 9 months, you shall hear a cry of a baby boy or a girl.
Or twins. Or a baby twins.
The matter it tire me, but I go still talk.
The matter tire me where they even listen to herself.
Una really believe, because as Rihanna will not be true, and me I no believe. But una really think say Nicki Minaj is ready to become a mother.
Before we even start with Nicki Minaj have ready to become a mother, the story is every true. Because the other one, now we see there as some song. We are still assuming.
I'm
still assuming.
I think we'll have a microscope.
Scope, microscope,
Scoping scope.
That's scoping scope. That kind of thing. But if you can't enter the fact, you wonder whether Nicki Minaj is ready to become mother. She don't talk am before. Yeah. She don't sing am before.
During last month. January. No, not January. She talk am. The matter still drag reach.
When she talk say, if they say she get picking for, so it will be 13.
Yes. When she break out with her
so her mind go down day say, I want picking. So if sharply 3 months she say she won't carry the belly, we never know. Congratulations. And I believe say she ready for the picking. Because her mind already did they say, bam, I want picking. So definitely she ready for the picking. So I know go just, but the only thing by home be say, una to dey carry room. I see the way to Rihanna belly. I never see her.
No, she did wait for Rihanna baby. What's wrong?
Sorry.
They say Rihanna don't get belly already. Now the baby now we wait for.
Okay, I wait for the
so if it be. But on top of the Nicki Minaj matter, me true like we don't talk before. Well, we never see the belly yet. We don't know. You know, talk less of talk whether she don't be ready for picking or not. Mother. You know, to be mother. She don't talk before, say if to say that time as things been go, her picking go don't be 13 years old. That one don't show, say she get interest to be mother. Because not be all of them.
Everybody inspired to be mother.
Well, not be all of them, but they get some people they don't want
born. They don't want to spoil their belly.
That kind of thing.
They don't want to spoil their shape.
Well, she don't talk, so we won't believe, say, she won't be mother. But whether she ready to be mother or not, not be every, they say not every woman is a mother. Not every, so, you know, no, they get different things where she go need to adjust if she really won't be mother. Like this drink where we talk now, of course, if truly she get belly, she go stop drink for some time, stop some other kind of activities.
Like?
Stop some other kind of activities. Hello, we'll continue.
Like, I don't
follow the activity.
No.
But as time they go on, of course, what they call her hormones.
Okay.
You will see some hormonal changes for her body.
Yeah.
Some dancing. She no go the anaconda again.
Hey.
They get as anaconda go reduce. You go reduce the anaconda to small.
Wait.
To small
you make mistake. You seem to forget. Say, what if this person name?
We go reduce the anaconda.
Go Uganda go dance. Tiwa. Excuse me, she know it's get belly.
And she get belly now, but me and the talk say time go come when some of these things go gas reduce. She go gas change.
See, all this clubbing. My me pregnancy big past Tiwa Savage.
And she dey
you need to see where she take boogie dance.
Thank you.
For event, she dey boogie, she dey shake the baby. The baby they know say yes, somebody carry him.
Okay.
Well, for me, I go say like what my father talk in proverb. He say you feel use hand cover your navel, but you know if you use your hand cover pregnancy. Yeah, if actually say she gets belly, I dey happy for her because hey, to get pregnant, some people they sleep morning, afternoon, and night for church. They mosque, they for shrine, they drink different chemicals. Say they say maybe they forget belly. But if you get time, I say congratulations with Nicki Minaj. I know say she dey capable to be able to become a mother because her mother still dey alive and she still get family wey love her. So at all, if Amber Rose get her mama and her husband mama where they take care of her own pikin while she they go up and down they twerk for Instagram. Then who be Nicki Minaj? Nicki Minaj will not say her own now for stage and she they mad. After stage, she become different person. So me, I go say, if actually she get belly, well, congratulations. But for media taker, because I don't believe them, I know their story no they authentic for me again. I know no one where they don't talk where I don't see truth.
After the Rihanna story,
I shall look into you people's matter. All right, so my people, you still get opportunity, like I talk, sing them, read and talk them now. Go on top of Facebook, yes, so at Talk Wazobia. Go on top of Twitter also at Talk Wazobia. Go on top of Instagram too. You go see all our pictures. Talk the one way concern you for there. You want to talk about the one way carrying younger brother, go give him friends, make them kidnap him for 10 million. Or you want to talk about the one way Maida talk, say, David, do it, have called and ping and tweet and Viber and everything me that you want to do a collaboration with me. Or this one we don't talk about Nicki Minaj. Anaconda. Anaconda. Yeah. All right, so we number 4 story. I know say this one go sweet Amaka Bele small, but I don't understand how as I want a package. This one a Chris Brown matter. Chris Brown now, but though America now we did so. We don't go visit Nicki Minaj. Now we don't branch because now the concert where she go now make us collabo the 2 story together. These 2 people they trend. What's it happen? Then tell say Chris Brown thinks say Karuchi use them to climb the ladder to go top.
Chris Breezy.
What's in he talk? He talk say he understand. He say, Mokona hear this one. He say, Karuchi actually use them to climb the ladder to become who she want to be. According to one publicist, we come as a analyze how Karuchi in feel say Karuchi won't carry Chris Brown because she know all the badness where the guy they do, all the baby mama things, all the carrying plenty girls, all the drinking, all the beating Rihanna, trouble that is still hot and she go there and quench the fire and take a seat. And now she won't come to say no, she no dey into baby mama drama. Then to say she after 3 months, I be 6 months of all this old drama, Karuchi hired this guy for 2012 to become her publicist. This same publicist will come and talk say, this one, Loi, you won't use them. She used Chris Brown to everything. And true, if you check the story, true, you go see say Karuchi no be anybody. She no be model. Now she can't get the opportunity where people they call her, interviews they call her and blah blah blah. They can't know who Karuchi actually be. But according to another story, what we hear, let us say until say packaging, make go meet boyfriend, make go meet men. Now all of them, both Karuchi and that baby mama. All of them be friends. In short, she did part of the baby shower where they do for the guy. But the girl actually for that time thinks say, now her boyfriend where she did dates, now he gets the baby. She no say now Chris Brown because then go do DNA. Now the guy can say, it is not my own. No. Don't wake me up. Go and call Chris Brown. Now if you go take check, you can say, the person with me no say I play Shere with. Now Chris Brown after my bubble. Now story for take enter. So when I think say they wrong to use anybody climb ladder because the ladder is very empty. Everybody that want to climb should climb.
You know, say to actually go up, you need to use person to go.
Thank you. I've been sing the song now. Ladder, 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 ladder.
Oh, follow the ladder to heaven. Oh.
They say we get video for that. Play that video.
I tell you, that video it makes sense. You need to see the ladder. They climb the ladder.
Follow the ladder. Yeah.
Follow the ladder. You must follow. You must.
I tell you, you know the truth. Just like Amaka talking. For this life, I no go lie you. Nobody dey way in your own road na just straight from ground reach up. You must climb person reach up, or you must climb people.
Oh, definitely.
But now how you take treat the people now, na im matter.
Because if you come back from
you
the ladder.
know, I get one lecturer for school where they talk say the way up is the way down, and not true.
True.
No, you won't disappear for up before.
So if they climb ladder, one of my friends tell me say if they climb ladder, the people where you meet, no throw away them. Just in case they come down that ladder, those people go there. Now then go either help you or then go throw away you. So you must climb ladder. Some people go. You go need some people when they reach. No, Amaka need me as they climb. Betiana, where you dey? I don't say Betiana go they look us now. Betiana
yes,
say.
baby girl.
Never she no
come
climb.
Hey, no can you have my friend because you know she want my friend size here.
Betiana need me climb go up. I know she need me climb go up.
She need you climb, so you sit there down.
I said she need me.
You need correct ladder.
I said she need me.
She need them.
She need them.
Betiana need them. Me need Betiana too.
We need one another.
Everybody.
But everybody, that's the truth. Now where I want to end up with that say everybody needs somebody.
Somebody to go up.
Like American boys go say a brother needs a brother. You know, you must need someone to go up. But now how you can't treat the person now when they go up? Now it matter. Because again, I go talk, the way up is the way down. The people where you meet as they go up, now then go support you in case you need to come down. So because nothing they wrong to.
I see one picture like that for either on Instagram or something like that. Maybe I see that picture. I first don't understand the picture. I can say why they do this kind of thing. When I consider really think it makes sense.
Okay, what's
it
the
depend
picture
on you get one drawing, then draw people like mountain, then one person come there on top. Because say, thank you very much for helping me reach where I am today. Because they give speech. But the people where he climb, they just pile like this. Now people, the one from ground then like that,
like pyramid,
pile go up. Then you can't day for me do. Can't they give opening speech? Thank you very much for taking me where I am today. I thank you. So definitely, you must climb people to reach up. And those people, like you just talk, you don't summarize everything really. I just they add small jam on top. Say if you treat person anyhow, trust me, when you dey fall, you will crash land. Because they go just look you come on hand. When they fall, they come on hand. You go just bam. And when
all right, Amaka, I want to use that opportunity to tell anybody where me I don't because I know that my ladder is piling up at the climb. If I don't offend you along this journey, Kinto there on the ladder before I climb the middle of the ladder. Please forgive me.
In
case you never, so I go feel reach where they go, or when they come down, we go meet and we go chop together. According to that Korede song, Luku Luku say, because you wish me well, you must follow me chop. Exactly. That part alone, it just make them for me. Yes, you wish me well. Even if you don't wish me well, say na lip sync you they do, you know. Yeah, I wish you well. Yeah. That moment, because you talk I'm alone, I appreciate you. Well, for me, you know they're wrong because hey, the girl too take so many blows for her face. She take many tweets where they hot, where be say for night self she no go visit. So if she use you, Chris Brown, thank God say you they useful to be used.
Oh, at least
some people know they useful.
What is your willful?
You are not willful. If you are not willful, you will be thrown away. So thank God you will be willful. Anybody that is willful for me, please come my way. I shall use you.
No, I will not use you anyhow.
I will use you and be useful.
So that you can be useful.
Amaka, I'm willful.
Yeah, useful.
Yeah, useful.
Why you talk to Amaka? Why you not talk to me?
Could be my person that you. I'm also useful.
Bernard. I go soon turn to
yeah, to my producer talk. I'm overused. What are you trying to say, Baba? I'm still fresh looking. I'm a handsome chick like me. See my hair.
They handsome chick.
Maybe you don't turn handsome.
All right, so my people, we could go for small chicken break because when we come back, we go do game. And they go surprise. They don't say I get this game for mine. They go surprise. When we come back, we'll do game. We get a cocoa of the day. We are all away and we are packing our load out. We is coming back.
Yes. So.
All right, so my people, yes, like I tell now, I thought say game day when we want to, and all of them surprised. They don't ask me when we go break. Which game? Let me, hey, calm down.
I calm down, but you need to tell me.
You know, so I know say you go school, you read front and back of the book, and you have graduate, and you have served, and you teach in this school, and now you have Come now, you are teaching somebody.
You don't they put all my life for public. Oh.
You too, the same thing. Now, because all of us teach one way or the other.
I don't teach.
What do you do?
I teach you.
Okay, this girl, we shall withdraw your NYSC certificate.
I
back.
serve, I no teach.
What do you do? No, what
I
once?
serve for Nigerian campus newspapers.
Get out. Go sit down. All right, so I want, Amaka, you know, say you like to speak English.
Oyinbo.
Do ABCD from Z to A, backward. Your time start now.
Wait, may I check where I write the ABCD down.
Now.
No right time.
ABCD, but
Y.
start from Z, Y,
Give me back my right hand first.
Your time starts now. Counting.
Yeah, Z, Y, W,
She dey do expo.
She's already failed.
Okay,
She don't fail already.
She don't fail. Back down.
She's
All right,
already
Bernard Akede.
Yes.
Your own a very simple one.
Correct. Well,
This is not wickedness.
I
This
think
na
the same
pure
question. They want to ask me. Okay, I'm a different question.
Why you not give me another? Why you not tell me I call
Okay.
ABC to Z?
Spell Karuchi backward.
Now my girlfriend. Why?
Karuchi backward.
IEHC.
Karuchi. EHCEUUE.
Ojoro, you have failed it. You have come and failed it. You have
Why
come
don't
and
you think I spell Chris Brown? Why not Karuchi? I go spell Chris Brown.
I just say look for something where go just throw you off balance because
Karuchi. If I
Madam Queen B.
you can't give me a game and it now me they
Queen
direct
B.
this. Hey, you don't tell driver where to pass.
Queen
We go tell you.
No.
We go tell you. We go give you your own
Excuse me.
game.
All right, Mr. Producer. I know so we get our old school video.
So you
I
mean
beg
say-
play us our old school
Now,
video.
Joe, nice
And
to meet you.
Producer, no play and yet too.
Ojo.
play
I need
us
to do my
our
own
old
first.
school video. When you play our old school video, when we come back, we got sun show our cocoa of the day.
When we come
Take
back,
it.
when we come back, Queen B go answer the necessary answer.
Thank you, everybody.
Come tickle my soul. Tickle me, what you want? Come tickle my soul. Move your dancing shoes and let's get on the groove. Then as you hear their song, and let's do so irate. People wanna dance about great good music, which makes me feel so great. Oh no. So then push yourself a little bit, so I can see more clear. So then you know now, 'cause then feel what's on my mind. We'll be over and on. We gotta put your neighbors get in the booth. So then feel what's on my mind. We'll be over and on. You gotta put your neighbors get in the booth. So darling, why not? You tickle me, you tickle me, you tickle me, you tickle me, yeah. You tickle me, you tickle me, you tickle me, you tickle me, yeah. Tickle me, oh butterfly. Come tickle my soul. Tickle me, what you want? Come tickle my soul. Forget all your sorrows and push me along.
Baby,
Tickle me.
you need to do it. Whoa, whoa. Tickle me, tickle me, tickle me.
Anybody who dey watch
watch live.
this show, to all of una wey dey house there, wanna go on top of Twitter. Make una tell me how old una think say Amaka and Bernard be, because this one na
Come and tickle my
Come
soul.
and tickle me
Tickle
and
me.
tell me how old I is.
Baby
be.
omo.
Amaka, tickle
Any
me.
which, oh yeah, come baby tickle me.
Kai.
Any which ways, we have come back and we are still on talk Wazobia. Yes, talk Wazobia with Bernard, my very self, and
Queeness of them all.
where I see the think of it I go give her. But right about now, before I think of it I will give this woman, may I search na cocoa of the day. When I don't watch this video finish, Abi, so straight up to the cocoa of the day. How una take see olden days music and modern days music? Una think say olden days they better pass today, or today better pass?
Well,
olden days?
in terms of stage performance, I go give them to old school music, because old school music, they don't even get time to even go studio, go do filter, do all the computer waiting. Their own. As a singer, I come here. For state said that they add, increase, reduce. For there, they record live. That's why till tomorrow, the people will earn my respect, will still get my respect to tomorrow now, Fuji artists. Fuji artists now live, and they stand for hours. No be like our artists nowadays, so you go on top stage. Baby sweet, baby nice, oh. Baby do me, adequate. No, those ones that they use guitars, so that they play instrument, and so that they sing and all that. So
Okay.
I know if you, but Moko plays you new school
Exactly.
video.
Yeah,
so
so
that
that
you go
we
fit see what
compare.
they talk about.
See,
Yes,
yes.
video quality, you understand.
No. May we leave video quality outside.
No worry, we go
Yeah.
come back and compare
Oh,
the two,
na
but
package.
most
Yes,
is
we
all-
have
all
not
is
played
not
this other
ready
one.
now.
Babies don't come back again, go. Don't just, look at me. Tell me what do you see? Baba God they bless me. You suppose like what you see, but then enemies then they hate. Tell me why them they hate me. I feel like food they want job me. Tell me why them they follow me. Jealousy. Solo Makinde Abosi. I know might make you see. As Baba God they bless we.
My bank account done the rubber. All the fine girls done the wrong come. They know the waste time to shake the bum bum. Ricky fresh come, Ricky tom tom. Fatty bum bum, money don't come. I don't jump up, no they vex for me. I see, serve them round two. Money they worry me, so I don't worry them. Oh.
Them plenty for time. Hey, them plenty for time. Hey, beg bodu, them plenty for time. Hey, them plenty for them. Hey, Oloshi, them plenty for them. Hey, them plenty for them. Hey, Luku, them plenty for them. Oh, yeah, see them, them plenty for them.
I never started to see me, demo. I never started to see me.
Oh, yeah.
Look at them, they see me.
Oh yeah. You don't do. Thank you.
Now,
We have seen the old, we have seen
Don't
the
be
new.
right,
We
don't
don't-
be busy.
And then feel like say the new. Okay, may I tell you the difference what just happened right now?
Yes.
When we play the old one, all about the
I don't see like this.
tickle me. Da, 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 da.
We dey dance like
We go like
butterfly.
that.
Tickle me, butterfly.
I come play this song.
We throw it enter.
As in everybody throw it out. So the only thing I go notice for this one now, the beat.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now beat is different.
The
for
Thank
tempo,
you.
high.
The tempo,
high,
yes.
everything.
Yes.
But right about now, may we still be honest with ourselves. We will be very honest.
Yeah, okay.
Wetin be the difference?
Okay,
between
for me,
old school and new school?
I go say even the Mavins, this video where they perform, so when they go AMV,
Yes.
VSCA awards,
NBCA.
on top of Twitter, the thing they there say their performance they very poor, very very poor, because some say even DJ herself, the part where Tiwa Savage take, where she supposed to be the lady, where go take she can't dey lip sync. That means she don't know that part. You understand? So, but like the old school on, we know the lyrics, we know everything. Even the band guys, if you see when they play, they sing them together. But the one now, they know they take their time, no. But and again, if you be recorded, this one a small advice from me. I beg performance. It be like say you go to put more days to like performance, because now waiting go sell your artist be that. Your artists need to know how to move on stage, how to communicate with a crowd. Now it make me not really like Sean Tizu till tomorrow in performance. I like his song, but I don't like his stage performance. He go they waka inside people. Hello, I pay money to come watch you. I don't say me you come around me for where I sit down.
Well,
you understand?
well,
So now the
well.
difference for me be that. But
Well, true.
if not, lyrics for old school and beats for
For
these
new
days.
school, we're very true. I follow what can be talk. Me, I love old school. I'm an old school guy. People say there's no school like the
You're
old
going
school.
to bang
Really?
it.
We don't take for market. No, we don't take for market. We take for the game.
Recalculate.
We take for the game. I love old school music. In fact, sometimes me and my mama they drag. If my mama won't remember some songs, she go call me and say, "Do you remember? You know this song by this person? Some I go remember, some I don't go remember. Some I go like say I remember. I go use Google to find out." But really, I love old school for vocal for the words where they there, and the new school I like the beat. That's where they be. Yeah.
I just feel say those days our parents it be like sometimes it be like say they depressed.
Yeah. No, they just like.
But
cool
then
music.
they enjoy 'em.
Yeah, that's so.
But to me, some songs still be like depression songs.
Who knows? Maybe in the
Amaka,
next 25 years, that's what our children will be
Amaka,
talking.
what do you think about the old school and new thing?
I don't really give my mind. Say old school and new school, the beats they're very, very, very different. And nowadays, it be like say why the beats they change because we don't really get a lot of club bangings and a whole lot of things. So,
But then this
obviously-
song now hit for club,
Now what's that?
The
Which
Tickle
one?
Me?
Tickle me.
Yes.
Yeah, they tickle their service club.
All right, so Amaka, we get into it. All right, before then we go there, make we do our wear or true
Yes,
way.
please.
Oh, sorry. More could hear what people talk for streets because we go ask people say, old school song and new song, which one they prefer, and they tell us their own part. So more can hear this one.
Olden day music and modern day music, which one better part?
Now, what is this music?
Olden days music.
What is the music? It depends on the IQ of the person when they hear them.
Oh no, why? I say better.
Come to the message.
Olden days music has more meaning.
And the old one, don't see those days when they hear the music, they enjoy them, they speak good things, and when you hear, you learn a lot from it. Master, I don't go be like for you. The music what they hear now, I know they get any sense for that music what they hear. Modern day is all about the beating and the beat. That's what modern day music is all about. It doesn't, the rhythm doesn't give out a message to the public. Like the one when they do all this kind of, you know if they can do anything. These days, our Nigerian songs, most of them know they really tell you anything. So, but these days, I just my waist, my nyash, my this, you know.
Recent time music. You see people going naked. It's all about girls' body and all that. So for me, I prefer olden days music, and it can teach you a lot of things out of it.
But our olden days songs, like you rightly say, they make more sense past new songs. Like those days where they listen to those Baba music, those Sonia Ade, those Pipi Baba. People Fatah Rolling we just die of recent. Where would they listen to their music?
They say olden days music.
Music.
Now it makes sense past this new days
day
music.
yes.
Because this one are bang 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 bang.
Bang bang ding ding.
Which one you like? Go on top of Twitter, make you tell us because the conversation not go end for here, even though when we don't come for here. We know they like to leave you, but hey, that TV we got to pay bills, so we got to pack our load comments. Yes, we don't reach that segment where would they do wear or throw away. Amaka asked me whether I go fit do this kind of hair, but I tell her, say, if I get the opportunity again, I'll go do one because when I just enter Lagos, I do Kiko. We're gonna watch what we get to wear or to throw away.
Special man.
I go so weird. Bernard the Kid, hello.
What's happen?
Hello, why would I hear this?
But Nari,
Hello.
Nkemji,
I know they
You
kill
can't
now.
Lagos na flyover.
Yes, so.
In Kemji, it be like Onitsha Bridge, the new one where they build
Shebi
and
say
the
you go
old
fit
one.
do am.
But
tell you.
I feel carry this seriously. I feel carry am.
So
And if you
Amaka,
DM me,
you
I shall
come.
carry
Where or
something
throw
like
away?
this.
Sorry. He
Weird.
fine. He fine, but I know if you wear.
All right, Moku see the other one. Moku see the other one. Hey,
Mama.
Yabasi, Sabderantu, but they worry me.
But this
so they
head
worry
na
them. oh.
shuku now.
Eh? This one na shuku, but you know why? Because the mommy age, she don't age, so her hair don't they think. That's why the thing no full.
So you think out how many hair did he had now?
Yes.
Orishabumi.
but
So now, if you
like the
can-
hairstyle in that.
I don't owe
I really like the hair. And my grandmom till she till she pass, she carry this kind of hair. All right, so my people, we don't reach the end of the show.
Yeah, but may I read one tweet, sharply.
Okay.
Person talk say, olden days, IOTX 7, for me, olden days video music gets enough to listeners, unlike today, where some of them topic now woman and bum.
Okay. All right, Amaka, no, we don't get time again. I beg, make una no vex, because the conversation no end for here. We will retweet all the things we will now talk. All right, so my people, now here we pack our load. We're gonna meet tomorrow, Freaky Friday. Yeah.
Now there we go, turn up by tomorrow, raising the roof.
Now there my own name still remain Queen B or Balo.
Yes, so I mean never change. My name is Sirimen Bernard, where they handle everything. I don't handle two, they don't go break. The remaining two still there.
We are still stand there. Let me know my last.
And we continue to tomorrow.
And my name is Sirimen Amaka Okudiafo, and as we like talk, I'm to talk no be bad thing, but
make you know what you
they talk about.
For better now.
Brah!